Today we get hands-on with the new wireless DJI microphone. I've been waiting a long time for this device to come out, and it's finally here and I have gotten my hands on it. The new DJI wireless microphone is not only small, portable, and compact, but it's got this crazy range, so you can set up your camera and talk from a very long distance. And in addition to that, it has two transmitters, so you can have one person talking and another person talking like in a podcast, and it'll work great. So if you're a content creator and you want to take your videos to the next level, stay tuned for this video because we're going to give you all the information you need about the new DJI wireless microphone. Let's get into it. So here's everything that comes in the box. We got the carrying case, a 3.5 audio connector for your DSLRs, a charging cable, two windscreens, and then of course the microphone itself. Now the microphone itself, this is the transmitter which will connect to your camera, your iPhone, or your Android phone. And these are two receivers which you can wear. And the nice thing is that these can collect two channels at the same time. So if you're doing an interview or a podcast, it can pick up both people at the same time. This is the transmitter itself. It has a little clip which you can wear, and it has built-in storage. So if you happen to run out of storage on your device, or if there's a problem with the audio, this will record it as a backup. So that's incredible. You can see the audio levels as I talk, and that's really handy if you're filming yourself. You can make sure you're not yelling or anything like that. Now, if you want to film outdoors like I do a lot, you have this little windscreen which simply attaches on here. And when you have that on, it'll help you reduce some of that wind noise, which is a huge problem when recording outdoors. Now, one of the worst things that could happen when you're recording something, especially with like a wireless device like this, is the battery dies. So this little guy here has 14 hours of battery life built into it, and it comes with this really handy rechargeable case. So you can simply drop this in similar to like an AirPod, and then it'll start to charge right away. And in addition to that, it also has two transmitters. So if one goes out, you can pop in the other one, and now you have another 14 hours of battery life, which is insane. Another really nice feature that this device has is that it has a 250-meter range. So I can be way over there and you would still be able to hear me just as clear. And the microphone has anti-interference built into it. So if there's like cell phone signal coming through, or if your phone starts to get a text message or something like that, sometimes you hear this weird like buzzing noise. And with DJI's built-in anti-interference technology, you won't be able to hear any of that interference. So another great thing going for this new wireless DJI microphone. So let's do a little range test here. And let's see if this thing can pick it up. So I don't know if you can tell right now, but it's super windy. And I'm hoping this wireless, I'm hoping the windscreen here is doing a good job of blocking out most of that wind. We're gonna climb up this hill over here. All right, here's the range test. I'm at least 300 feet away or so. I hope you guys can hear me. So my only concern is this little lightning port connection. You basically kind of slide it in right here. You kind of push and it goes in, and it fits super snug. But when you try to take it out, it's really like kind of jammed in there. It's really tough to take out. Maybe I'm not doing it properly, but yeah, it's pretty tough to take out, and I worry that over time this connection might have some issues. Only time will tell with that. Now, while these guys are priced at $350, can be steep, if you're serious about creating content, it's something you're gonna absolutely need in your toolkit. I'll leave links down below in the description, so if you're interested in getting one yourself, you can find it there. Know that those are Amazon affiliate links, so some of that will be given back to this channel to help keep the lights on. So thank you so much for that. And if you found this video helpful or useful in any way, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.